Croatian Ropax, Roro Crew to Embark 1379. We start in the hotel department, in the hospitality catering department. We need about 6,000 in total new employees. We are starting with the Piccolo, it's called in Italy. We try to put the ships closer to Croatia and deployment closer to Croatia, because this is environmental, social governance, ESG, transparency. Here I am, CEO, talking to you. Croatian Crew. Also, it is corporate social responsibility. It's a many social thing, because it is including social security, Italian, very close to your family. So I try to have a family ship owner client with 55 Ropax, 22 Roros, all Italian flag, all social security, wages are net. So apply urgently. Croatian Crew. I make this video in English because I don't speak much Italian, but you must know Italian language because it's the safety language. Of course, there is different levels of safety, those that have taken engine responsibilities. We need junior engineers, minimum 2 campaigns. I know they say 3,300 euros is a very low wage if AP gets 3,000, if a truck driver gets 3,200, but is the collective bargaining agreement of 150 pages. You can read it, you can enjoy it, and that's what I can really inform you. Then the tech is 3,600. We need 2-3 campaigns, third officers. You can have a career close to your home. If I was young, I would jump fast to this company. Why? Because there is a huge promotion possibilities. Ships are 67,000 tons, the Ropax, 37 the Roros, so it's total 77 ships close to your family. Candina is 4th generation. My son is already working around here, the 5th generation, so it's going to be a long time. The sooner you jump on board, the sooner you have more possibilities. In the catering, there is 6,000 in total, of which we start with the Piccolo, which is the onboard services utility, 2,000 euros plus social security. In the kitchen, also we need galley boys, galley ladies, so 2,000, and then after a year you get 2,400. After 18 months or after 28 months, you go to 2,900. The steward in the hotel side, in the galley side, same system. And we also need butchers, bakers, pastry, 2,600, that's intermediate level. And then some ships you get even more. And then in cooks, 3,200 if you are on board cruise, Croatian cruise, crew, then apply here urgently. We have Italian basic training manual for you to confirm, but you're so close to Italy, you already know more than me. So, molto grazie. This is happy people, very good professionals. Like and subscribe. Pass throughout Croatia, because there is a big competition for many countries. And then we also need second officers, and then you can go scale up and be very closer home, shorter contracts the more time you are on board. So it is like 1,700 like an engine approx between the Ropax and the Roro, and then around 6,000 in the hotel. So please think about your career close to your home. I'm thinking about it. I think it's a good idea. It's a stable idea. It's a long term. I love long term. Piano piano, va lontano. Grazie, ciao.